Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Here we have a number 75 Ford Thunderbird by Lesney. As you can see, most of the paint's off. At some point there's been a pen mark down one side, maybe two sides. Looks like it was originally a two-tone colour. The tow hook's gone. The rear wings are bent inwards. It's not a very big model, maybe 2 inches, 6-7 centimetres in length, inch wide, 2 inches wide. Looking forward to doing this Thunderbird. I do like a Thunderbird. Right, here we have our Thunderbird. As you can see, she looks like she was maybe orangey down the side, white cream on top, since both sides are the same. Sure, I'll keep it two-tone. See, those rear wings are bent inwards. Glass doesn't look too bad. Obviously the model's quite dirty. Let's just try and get the 2 rivets out. Gently does it. Still don't think that looks enough, but any case, let's see. Oh, it is perfectly off. Slightly rusty. Not sure how the glass is in. It needs drilling out. The glass has got a rivet type thing that needs drilling out there, so just do that. Hopefully that might be enough. It's rocking. Oops. Sure that will come up superb. The ultrasonic, and it, I don't know if you can see there, I'll try and get it close up. See that? I'll try. There we are. Ford Thunderbird in the light, number 75. So that is our Thunderbird. 1, 2, 3 pieces. Right, we're just going to drill out the rivet posts. Too bad. Right, I didn't really want to take the wheels off, but I'm going to have to, and just playing with it and looking at it and seeing how well put on they were, I just managed to pull that one off, just like that. And I looked at the other side and you thought, oh, you know what, it ain't going to take much to get that one off either, apart from the fact they're rusted on. So a bit of de-rust spray should get that sorted. And that will be our Thunderbird. Of course, axles are rusty. So here we have some rust dissolver to spray on those axles and wheels, because they aren't really moving that easy. It's so easy to do damage to them. Let them float around in that for a while, and that hopefully will get the better of them. Okay, our Thunderbird's out of the caustic. It's not looking great. I think it will after a polish. The wings are a bit bent in at the rear. Cool looking car though. And the base looking okay. So it's time for a quick polish. Well, she's looking a lot better after 40 seconds of that. What I want to do is probably change brushes in a second, get the inside done, get into some of these nooks and crannies. Okay, I've swapped wheels, so I'm just going to give it a go inside now. That's what a fresh wheel looks like. It's looking good. Onto the base. Whoa, there's lots of bits coming off of that. Lots of metal bits flying everywhere. Should always wear specs, safety specs with these. It doesn't seem to matter how much you pay for these brushes, they're all as bad as each other. That is a particularly bad brush. I don't know if you can just see there the amount of bristles that are flying off that one. Right, there we have our Thunderbird, nice and clean. Unfortunately, the wheels have not fared as well. They're quite rusty. Put them in some rust remover, they're still solid. Damaged one, getting it off the hub. What I have done though in August purchases, I've purchased a load of spares. So there's quite a bit of work to do on these wheels. The axle's bent on that one. The casting looks really nice, and it's so detailed I don't see what I could do to improve it apart from getting a pair of pliers on these wings. Straighten them up in the middle. That's particularly bad. Okay, I've just been trying to straighten the wings. You can see this left wing here near my thumb. Bit has snapped off that. There you are. So I think we're going to have to build that up with a bit of super glue. Not sure. Super glue some bicarb of soda. Thunderbird, and as you can see, we had a problem. The tip of this wing came off. So I tried to build it up with a bit of super glue and some bicarb of soda. So now I'm off to see if that works and just start to try and file it down back to where it was. That's a smooth edge there. I don't really want to use the power tool because it'll just destroy it straight away. So really, it gently does it and hope it works. This is a dangerous bit. I'm just gonna take the excess off the top of the wing there. Right, I'll try and put my hand out to get this in focus. I'm quite pleased with that. It just needs some fine tuning now with a bit of sandpaper, I think. Got some 400 grit. I think that's as good as it's going to get. I'm quite pleased with it. I've reintroduced a tip. It looks better than it was. I'm going to clean that down now and then we can go into paint. I'm just fouling off the tow hook on the Thunderbird. I don't want that. It's already broken. There we go. That's the last of the filing. As you can see, tow hook's gone. One of my favourite colours, this Calypso BMW. Okay, we're back with the Thunderbird. It's time to take the masking tape off. Quite sticky on the roof. To give that wipe down with some alcohol. There she is. Hands are all sticky. Just put that down there for a second. Right, so the colour I'm going to paint the roof is this ivory silk by Colour It. I used it on the Dinky Ambulance. I think it really contrasts nice to the red body. Okay, we're back with the Cadillac. What I'm going to do is put the glass in the ultrasonic. I've already put a bit of car shampoo in there. Move that to one side. So we'll pop that in. And I'm going to stick the wheels in as well. They're still quite dirty and a bit rusted solid. And we'll have to give them 3 minutes to begin with. Okay, the Thunderbird's had 6 minutes in the ultrasonic. Just take the screen out. Let's take a look at it. The screen's come up quite well. Might still need a bit of polish with a metal cleaner. Let's see how the wheels have done. They were rusty as hell. I was hoping the rust would be loosened, but it's still strong. I think all I can do is really just clean those up, those axles. Okay, the Thunderbird glass is quite clean now, so we're just going to give it a dunk. There she is. After a bit of a dunking, just put that on a bit of polystyrene till it dries out. Okay, the Cadillac's out to paint, as you can see. I've painted the wheels black, partly because they weren't in a good state, and one of them had to be glued back together because I didn't have a spare. But what I'm going to try and do, I've got one of these, what you call them, circular templates, and I'm going to attempt to do white walls. Not sure how this is going to work. I think it's got to be that. Now what I've got to do is get that on the centre somehow. I think I might have to press that all the way in so it's firmly down. There we have it. I've got a white marker pen, permanent marker. There you are, you can see that is a white permanent marker. I know you're all quite fluent in it could be Japanese or Chinese, so off we go. It's Chinese. So I'm just think it's going to be this one. I've got to get it on as near as I can and then go round, because if I get it wrong, oh, I do like that. So just in case that one didn't get into view, I'll do another one a bit further along. So I'm pushing it all the way into my polystyrene to try and hold it. I've forgotten which one I used now. I think it was that one. I'm holding my template down and I'm just going round the edge with my white marker. That one's a bit bigger, never mind. Okay, we're back with our T-bird. There she is. Bit of detailing to do. I think we'll probably do the assembly first though. So let's get on with that. Bit of clear glue. Get the screening. I'm wearing a glove so I don't get fingerprints. Okay, we've got a bit of glue in there. Let's get the screen in. Next on are the wheels. So I just need a dab of super glue on the end there. There we go. Oh, Jesus. They ain't going to come off anyway, after you heard that. The second one, as you can see, I've gone for black axles. Don't know if I'll need the super glue, but it's there. Let's put a little bit on. Yeah, need it with that one. That's the one that had the broken wheel. So that's going to need a bit of time to set. Okay, I've already tested the rivets and they were fine. Just on with the base. Just putting a bit of super glue in the rivet holes. Don't want to get too much. Hopefully fingers might do this. Yep, that one's straight in. Second one looks okay. Not fingers and thumbs on this one. there she is. There's our Thunderbird. I think it's 59 Thunderbird. Give that a second or two for that glue to go off. Right, we're on with the detailing. You can see this. The lights going for the grille. That's the front getting done. Now just carefully this little badge. Oops, that's one side done. Gotta be careful now. Don't put my fingers on that. Well, this is what we started with. A very plain one. Thunderbird. I think it's 59 Thunderbird. Wings were both bent in. Paint had almost gone. Wheels were rusted on. She was very, very tired. So I hope you like what we ended up with, because here it is now. Well, here she is. Our 59 Thunderbird. Been a bit of trouble this one. I hope you like her. Chrome detailing, headlights, the little signs on the boot, and the bonnet, white wall tyres, chrome bumpers, cream roof over a Calypso BMW red. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. It costs nothing to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back again soon with the next video. Thank you for watching. It's been great having you along, and have a great weekend.